Hey guys! Hi guys!
Hey guys! I'm that girl, Mimi Ya! Happy New Year po! Opo! Actually, nandito po ulit ako sa Parañaque kasi na-miss ko po ang pamilya ko. Talaga nakaka-homesick din naman. Ang dami kaagad sinasabi, hatang walang kausap to sa bahay. Alam niyo yun guys, parang sobrang hirap. Hindi ba sobrang hirap? Parang nasa center ba ako? Kasi nasa harap lang po ako, hindi ko kita yung likod. Ay, nagbablog pala ako. Ano ba? Grabe, ang attention span. Sabog. Parang humit-hit. Sabog yung attention span. Ano ba? And last year po was really an amazing year for me and I've learned a lot. Oh, grabe. Straight English. Buti pang English is straight. Hindi katulad ng mga nanonood. Kimi! Hindi, I've learned a lot last year po. And I might say, huy, ayun, tumigil ang English talaga. And I must say na last year po was the year of growth for me in all aspect po of my life, like financially, emotionally, spiritually, mentally, physically, you know what I'm saying? Kasi I really focused on myself last 2025 and yeah, I am really that girl, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna share with you po 25 things that I learned from 2025. I know it's gonna be, I know ito po ay medyo late na po na vlog, opo. Pero I feel like this is a great vlog to start the year. You know what I'm saying? So, hindi ko naman po to talaga ini-impose sa inyo. Take what resonates sa inyo, you know what I'm saying? But these are the things that I learned and I will carry on for this year. I'm so excited po to share this vlog with you. So, let's get into it!
Drink your water, bitch!
Number 1, let's start with the most important lesson po na na-realize ko last year na it's your first time to live, don't be harsh on yourself. Last year po, I really tried to make everything perfect and kapag po hindi siya nag-work, I always blame myself for it. And I think it's a really bad habit na I always tend to remind myself na it's my first time also to live. Let yourself make mistakes and from there, you'll grow. Hindi naman po parating always in our favor, you know what I'm saying. Second, ito I learned the hard way. If you have the chance to pee, pee. Kasi parang last year po, nagkaroon ako ng experience na grabe, traffic. So parang ako nagdadrive ako, grabe, ihi na ako. To the point na parang pagka-park ko ng car ko, umihi ako sa bote. Ay, sobrang TMI na nito ha, sobrang TMI. Umihi ako sa bote, umapaw na yung ihi ko sa bote. Sabi niya sa mga grateful na, shit, buti na lang bading ako kasi kaya kong umihi sa bote. Pero kung talagang babae ka, ewan ko kung paano yun ipapasok sa bote, yung ihi nyo eh. Minsan, di ba, napupunta pa sa legs. No one cares except for the people who love you. Di ba parati natin naririnig na live your life, ganyan, nobody cares. Pero marami pa rin talaga ang may paki sa'yo. Especially yung mga tao nagmamahal talaga sa'yo. So yeah, live your life at the same time, alalahanin mo lang rin yung mga nag-aalala sa'yo. You know what I'm saying? And speaking of no one cares, eto ha, this is a revelation. Get that fucking Botox, you know what I'm saying? I love it. And kung kayo ay nanghihingi ng sign to do it, I'm the sign, bitch. I love it. And yes, I'm turning 30 na po next year. So I think it's a good start to do it right now. And sabi nga nila kapag daw mas okay daw po if you do it nang mas bata ka po. So no one cares. Magpa-botox ka na. You know what I'm saying? Maniwala ka pa, sasalamatan mo talaga ako. And last year po, na-realize ko talaga na if you have siblings, you are blessed. I mean, sometimes dito nag-i-imply sa ibang tao kasi minsan mga tarantado yung mga kapatid natin. You know what I'm saying? Hindi sila mabubuting tao, nakakasama sila sa pamilya. But me, sa mga experience ko po, sobrang thankful po ako sa siblings ko kasi parang I think I can't live this life alone. Know what I'm saying? And I'm just so grateful po na I have my brother and my sister with me. Siyempre, aside sa parents natin, sila yung talagang alam mong totoo yung pagmamahal nila sa inyo. The genuine love that you can also receive is from your siblings. So, be grateful if you have siblings. You know what I'm saying? Can we fucking stop the Filipino time? I hate it. I mean, ako ha, minsan nalilate talaga ako. And I really hate it. I hate it. Parang nagigilty ako when I'm late. Pag nalilate ako sa deadlines, pag nalilate ako sa meeting, pag nalilate ako sa mga bagay, ganyan. Kaya I also decided to move sa Makati para medyo malapit ako sa mga work, sa friends, and anything. And ako talaga, hindi ko naman po sinasabi na parati akong on time. Opo, I'm so sorry kung naka-experience po kayo ng pagka-late ko. Pero I really hate Filipino time. Like yung pag-wait, parang can we all be considerate of other people's time? Grabe, ang galing ko na mag-English ha. Napapansin ko ha. Always check the materials of your clothes, especially sa mga pinagbibili natin. You know what I'm saying? Kasi, girl, I'm turning 30 and I need to invest on classic pieces and sa mga pieces po na magtatagal. You know what I'm saying? Kung may chance po talaga, ito lang po ang aking belief. If we need to stop wearing polyester, you know what I'm saying? Kasi parang, if nag-invest po kayo sa magandang material na damit, magagamit nyo po ito for a very, very long time if we really take care of it. And actually, growing older, talagang mas magiging aware ka na sa mga pinagsusuot mo. Yeah, you can change people, but they will change if they love you or if they care for you because you'll probably do it also. Alam mo, totoo talaga na hindi mo kaya talagang baguhin ng mga tao. Kasi mismong tayo lang ang kaya magbago sa sarili natin. And magbabago lang tayo kung mahal natin yung ibang tao. Tend to control other people, yung the way they treat you, ganyan. Pero hindi mo talaga yun, hindi mo nahawak yun eh. It's their job. It's their responsibility kung gusto nila magbago. So, just let go of controlling other people. Kung gusto nila magbago, gagawin nila yun. The best things in life is either free or expensive. Work hard. Parang napaka-elitista naman po ng phrase na yun, di ba? Pero ako kasi experience ko po yung walang-wala sa ngayon na may capability na po ako to spend on expensive things. Free, like friendship, family, lessons, those are all free. Pero iba rin po kapag na-experience nyo na po yung finer things in life. Ako po talagang work hard po talaga ako. Hating is the favorite hobby of a broke. I think hindi mo nare-reach yung full potential mo because you are busy hating. You know what I'm saying? Instead of getting the bags, you are busy hating on other people. Sasayang yung oras mo on hating. You know what I'm saying? I-invest mo na lang yan on learning new things or getting the bags. You know what I'm saying? Get your life together. Stop the hating and focus on yourself. Spend more money on health. Like, you found a new sports. Like, wag kang mag-guilty on spending on your sports because it will help you be healthy. You know what I'm saying? If you need to book that Pilates class, book it. If you have the chance to get a gym membership, get it. You know what I'm saying? Kasi health is wealth. And I swear, your future self will thank you for doing these things now. 30 is like 20 but with money. Kasi alam mo, actually, I feel so much younger right now kasi parang at this point, parang wala na ako kailangang i-prove. I mean, meron pa rin naman po ako insecurity but somehow, mas secure ako ngayon. Alam mo, nawawala na rin talaga yung paki mo sa mga sinasabi ng ibang tao when you're at this age. And somehow, meron ka na rin sariling pera para gastusin on the things that you really love. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm super excited for my 30s. You know what I'm saying? The love that we give comes back to us in a way that we are not aware. Kasi sometimes, di ba, yung love po na binibigay natin to other people, sometimes hindi siya nare-reciprocate, but it always comes back to you no matter what. So, just give the love that you can give to the world. Kasi, like, the world is full of hatred right now. So, if you can spare, or you can give love to other people, please do. Kasi it always comes back to you. Know what I'm saying? I also learned that the secret to having the things that you want in life is to be grateful for the things that you have right now. Kasi sa sobrang busy natin on getting the things that we want in life, nadidisregard na natin yung mga blessings na nabibigay sa atin. Yung gratitude, para siyang domino effect eh. If you are grateful right now, it will lead to more opportunities, to more blessings, and instead of focusing on the things that you don't have right now, I think the first step is to be grateful kung anong meron ka ngayon. It's Friday, girl. Drink and dance. You'll never be that young again. You know what I'm saying? Kasi parang late na rin po ako talaga pumarty eh. Girl, get drunk. You know what I'm saying? Get drunk. Sumayaw ka. Sayawan mo lahat. Oo, basta wala kang tatapakan tao. Enjoy your youth. Kasi iba na yung tama ng hangover kapag matanda ka na talaga. Go out. If naabutan mo to, kung iinom ka this Friday, ito na yun, uminom ka. Enjoyin mo. Mag-enjoy ka. Move more so you can eat more. Di ba nauso yung calorie deficit, mga ganyan-ganyan? I mean, yeah, I support kung effective siya sa inyo, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like you don't really need to sacrifice enjoying food if you just move more. You know, ano ba? Ate, nagkukuryentin pa ako. Help! Help me! Help! Oo, naman ito. Kalalang kukuryente nga siya, be, shit. Girl! Kita ba yung panty ko, te? At hindi ka nakapanty, ha? Nagbibrief ka. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Ang sakit, eh. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Get that 10,000 steps. Tama na yung kaka-TikTok mo. Tama na yung kaka-scroll mo sa social media. Oo. Buong araw ka na nakahilata, oh. Gumalaw ka naman, te. Kaya nagtataka ka, ba't hindi ka naglulus ng weight? Ba't ang taba-taba mo? Baby! Ate na pa personal. Personal. Be that girl. This year, you will be that girl. That girl who invests on herself. That girl who is kind to everyone, especially to herself. That girl who's the boss of her life. That girl who gets the bag. That girl who is living the life. You know what I'm saying? Be that girl. Life always works out for you. Kahit hindi man po nasunod ang plano ninyo, maniwala ka para yan sa ikabubuti mo. Kapag hindi nag-workout ang relationship ninyo, opo, ibig sabihin hindi talaga siya yung for you. And that's not meant for you. Lahat ng mga nangyayari sa'yo, good or bad, always works out for you. You know what I'm saying? Cause you are that girl. You know what I'm saying? Huwag nakaganyan yung nguso mo, ate. Dati ka bang janitor fish? Daichi? Your purpose in life is to make your younger self proud of you. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm doing right now. And I feel like, pag nakita ko talaga yung younger self ko, lakasalubong ko siya, I can say na he's gonna be proud of me. Parang he's gonna be proud of the person I became. You know what I'm saying? I become yata. Become. Choose among the parentheses. Apo, Hindi ko alam kung anong pagagawa nyo, pero just the fuck up. Just the fuck up. You are sad because you look sad. Just the fuck up. And actually, there's a scientific behind it na kapag you look good, you feel good. You know what I'm saying? Kasi parang may hormones na nalalabas. Ay, ganyan nalalabas yung hormones. May hormones po na nailalabas po ang ating katawan when we dress up. I swear to God. Just the fuck up. Just the fuck up. Just the fuck up, bitch. Just the fuck up. Medyo mababaw siya, pero ang laking impact nito to other people, especially to the world. Clean the restroom for the next person. Kasi parang alam mo yung ibang tao na ate, flash mo na lang, oh. Ito po, tip lang po ito, ha. Di ba pag kililik mo, hindi masyadong flash. I-hold mo yung flash kasi sometimes sira na ang mga flash. Long press, ate, long press. Ang 500 pesos po has a lot more value if he only has 500 pesos. Does it make sense? Kaya, always be appreciative. And to be honest, mas na-appreciate ko po yung mga bulaklak na ginawa ng isang tao kesa sa binili ng milyonaryo. You know what I'm saying? Magkaiba po talaga ang value ng mga bagay kapag galing sa puso. I super appreciate thoughtful people. I have learned to accept the love people can give me and be content with it. Nakakapagod mag-demand for more, especially kung yun na talaga yung best nila. You know what I'm saying? And if that's the best love that they can give to me as long na it's genuine, tanggapin ko siya ng buong buo at maging kontento doon. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes, nahihirapan tayong mag-accept ng mga love and help kasi nga, we can do anything on our own. Pero sometimes, iba rin po pala yung gaan kapag meron kang kasama or katulong sa mga bagay na yun. It's okay to ask for help. You're so lucky to get your heart broken kasi ibang tao walang chance to experience love. Sobrang sakit po talaga naman maging broken-hearted. You know what I'm saying? Parang ang hirap kumain, hirap matulog, opo. Sobrang lucky mo to experience it kasi nga yung ibang tao parang gusto nila magmahal pero hindi nila ma-experience yun. The universe loves the authentic ones. Don't spend your life trying to be someone else. Sobrang hirap. Napakahirap po, opo. And I think you'll attract the right people if you are really true to yourself. Tama na yung pagpepeke, tama na yung pag-cosplay. Hindi ikaw yan, tama na. Kakapagod, no? Kakangalay yan. And that's it guys. Sana po ay marami kayong natutunan. Opo, dito sa vlog na ito. Just take anything that resonates to you. Huwag nyo masyadong personalin. Kung magkaiba tayo ng opinion, edi magkaiba tayo. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na iba ang opinion ko sa'yo, mali na yung akin. Hindi naman yung ibig sabihin na iba yung sa'yo, mali yung sa'yo. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this 2026 will be our year. You know what I'm saying? Sabi ka na Sisa, this time next year, we will live it so good. We'll remember your name, I swear. Live it so good, live it so good, live it so good. This year will be your year because this year you will be that girl. You know what I'm saying? And kung mayroon pa po kayong mga suggestions sa mga pwede ko pa pong gawin, mag-comment po kayo dyan. Ate, nagkukuryente po siya. Ba't nagkukuryente? Naiipit ko kasi. Baka kulang ako sa vitamin D. Dick Cavalli. Ate naman, ano ba? And don't forget, I'm that girl. Mimiya. Thank you po. Thank you guys. Happy New Year. You are loved and you are enough. Ano ba? Nagkukuryente. Babay na. Kukuryente na.